I was hungry, but at the same time, I wanted to draw. So I grabbed a banana, a Sharpie pen, and started doodling. The problem I ran into is that the skin of the banana was not soaking up the ink, so eventually I switched to using a Sharpie marker, and that seemed to work okay, but after about 5 minutes, it wasn't soaking up the ink. But I still pushed on and kept trying. I tried to make something out of this drawing, and after all, I wasn't too worried about it. I was going to throw the peel of the banana away after all. Eventually I switched to using a paint marker, and I took the paint marker, I painted one side of the banana completely black. Then I got a white gel pen and started drawing over that. If you notice something sounds different, or things sound better, it's because right now I'm using a different microphone. I upgraded from the Neewer 700 that I was using before, and now I'm using the Technica 2020. I think it has a better bass, and it really captures how my voice really sounds. The better audio makes me a lot more confident when I'm doing voiceover for these videos. I have a lot of surprises planned in the near future, and I'm glad you're here along with me on my journey as an artist. I'll leave a link to this microphone in the description of this video. Thank you for watching, subscribe, and wherever you are, have a good night.